What's up, guys? We're out here on the California Delta on the Sac River. Me and my boy Marty jigging for some stripers at the moment. We just caught two. Of course, I didn't have the camera rolling, but we're gonna drift over where we caught them. So let's see if we catch them. Alright, here's the setup. Just a 1 ounce jig. Yeah, just bouncing off the bottom. That's how I got two stripers. Let's see what happens. All the fish we caught today were caught using a jig, or by the method of jigging. A jig is a metal shiny lure that is typically bounced up and down off the bottom of the river floor, and this bouncing of up and down creates a flutter as the lure rises and falls, and this mimics a dead or fleeing bait fish. Better size. No, I turned it on. That's better. Let's go, baby. Oh yeah, dude. Oh, that was keeper for sure. Damn. Maybe he'll come back. Pretty big looking school below us. Keep drifting over the same spot and getting them. Oh shit.
Yeah, don't lose that.
Yeah, no. It's not. It's fighting like it's way bigger, but it's just got a lot of energy. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh yeah. Yeah, set the hook on him. Good on that one. What do you think? Probably like 14 maybe?
A little bigger.
Yeah, maybe a little bigger. Yeah, fun fight though. Yeah, dude, there's a lot of stuff on the Sunder right now. It's gotta be a school. Alright, let me drink a beer and not pay attention, because that's when I always get bit. Oh, here we go, bro. Oh, damn. There's one. There's one. I knew it. Oh, little guy. Probably the smallest one of the day. Oh, barely got him, too. Got one? Oh. Yeah. Maybe a 10, 12 incher, but fun fight. He feels kind of small. Actually, he might be better. Let me turn out the jag a bit. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Another schoolie size. Yeah, dude. Yeah, they're all pretty short. They're all schoolie. Right in the mouth. Oh shit. There it is. Maybe number like 6 or 7 today. I don't know. Welcome to my garage. It's getting a little cramped. I got a jet ski behind me, some outboard motors on a stand, a lot of fishing equipment, but I wanted to give a quick overview of my boat. So So here it is. It's a 12-foot aluminum boat with the deep V. Here's the brand. I might be saying this wrong, but Washita, I believe. I believe they stopped making these in the late 70s, early 80s. I do have it running on a 14-foot jet ski caravan trailer. I liked that since I could swap my jet ski on it. Yeah, the most important part of the boat is right here. It's the Nissan 8 horsepower 2-stroke outboard motor. I mean, it's not the prettiest motor, but you know, it gets the job done. It's been super reliable for a 30-year-old motor, so I'm happy with that. I do have a 6-gallon gas tank, and here is my fish finder. It's the Garmin Striker 4. It's about $100 on Amazon. It's a good little fish finder. I have that running on just a little 7 amp 12-volt battery. And yeah, I'll show you how I mounted that right now. To mount that, I didn't want to put any holes in the back of the boat just to avoid leaks. So I picked up this 1-inch thick marine starboard. It was like $3 for a 4x4 piece, and I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. To do that, I got some JB Marine Weld, and I lathered that all over the back of the starboard, got some duct tape and let it set overnight. And I just have some screws that I drilled in, and yeah, it held up. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope you enjoyed the content. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and leave me a comment what fish you want to see me catch next. Thanks, guys. See you next time.